Good day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something super exciting that could potentially be life-changing. Now this is an easy way for you to claim up to 5 figures, and all you have to do is go to voting-zaman.org. That's voting-zaman.org. If you're not sure, check out the description below because I will have it linked down there. Now guys, like I said, this will take you to the official Zaman app where you can see that they're doing their monthly XRP release where they are giving back 10% to their holders, and this is super easy guys. You basically qualify if you hold any amount of XRP or XRPL tokens, and like I said, read through this, it will explain it all. I'm obviously just quickly browsing through it and giving a simple overview, but essentially you can claim back, like I said, up to 5 figures. And all it works is the two-step verification process. The first one would be to start voting. You click on start voting, in which it will connect your wallet. This is obviously just to verify that you do hold XRP. Now once you click on this, it'll prompt you to connect with your Zaman, your wallet collect, Ledger, MetaMask, etc. If you obviously have multiple of these wallets with XRP, and go and connect all of them, you are eligible with all the different wallets. If you have multiple wallets on them, connect them all guys. Like I said, you're not bound. And also connect with your highest one, as like I said, this works on a 10% basis of what you hold. So if you hold 50k in XRP, you are eligible for 5k, which is an insane amount of money that you are able to make. Now once you do this, it'll take you to the Votify app where you'll be casting your votes on all things crypto related, XRP related. They obviously love hearing back from their community members, and they always have a bunch of interactive things that you can vote and actually be part of the community in that way. And then that would be it guys. You will then receive all the tokens, or like the amount allocated based on your tokens in your wallet. So that is honestly an incredible opportunity for you. When we look here at the market and see that Bitcoin is hovering around 64k, it dipped slightly below 60k earlier this the past week, which obviously had a lot of people really flustered, but as we can see, it making a good recovery, up 7% on the weekly basis, and Ethereum as well. Now guys, this is an incredible opportunity for you to get in at $1.14. This would be a very opportunity for you if you had 5k extra lying around that you could claim through this giveaway. Obviously you could just DCA in, as same with Solana, Ethereum. All these are incredible levels for you to get in if you have not. And this is obviously the best approach to taking crypto, is to buy when the market is down. Now like I said, go check it out. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day.